So here's a video for those of you people who have a TRX 350 4-tracks that you needed an exhaust because they're notorious for rotting out. I put a Indy 500 muffler on this one without much difficulty. If you're good with a torch and a welder, it's really all you need. Use the head pipe off your original muffler coming from the manifold pipe. Cut the snowmobile exhaust just in front of the last chamber at the welded joint. You want to cut ahead of the welded joint. And inside you'll find a 1-inch pipe. And that's what I connected it to. Take a hammer, egg shape it a little bit to fit down in there better. All in all, it's quite quiet. Good luck.